Hello friends, today I'll show you the recipe for aloo posto, green aloo posto. I've made my own variation by adding some fresh green onion and the spring onion. So the components would be boiled potatoes that's peeled, some panch foran, some posto, the khaskhas seed, and we'll be using some regular salt and some mustard oil and some turmeric. These are the very simple components that we'll be using here. Now I'll heat the wok. I have heated 2 tablespoons of oil for 400 grams of potato. Now I'll fry the potatoes to get the top sealing of so the juices remains inside the potato until it gets a bit of brown color. I'll put some salt and turmeric on it while it's doing. You can see here the browning that is happening. I've just done it enough so that a bit of golden brown is done because the potatoes are already cooked, so I don't want to overdo it. Now I'll take it out, cut it in pieces, and start with frying the lower part of the green onion, which is sweet. I'm using it because it has sweet flavor and not the regular red onion. I have fried the onion here and put 1 tablespoon of water to prevent the burning of the turmeric. Now I'll put the potatoes back in this. I've diced it with small quantity, so that to make it a bite size, and I'll slowly mix them in the masala that is there. You have to keep in doing this for like 5 minutes before you mix the posto, that is the poppy seeds, the khaskhas. The potatoes are almost done here, so I'll be adding the posto dana. And I'll 1 or 2 teaspoons of water to make sure everything mixes properly, and then I'll finish it with the scallions, the green onions, spring onions. It's done completely. I'll close the flame and finish it with the scallions to give it an additional look and feel about it. And that's the final product. I hope you liked it. Give your comments in case you have any questions. Thank you.